Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll show you how to use conditional logic for the instant form campaign or ads. Okay, so first of all, let's get to know what is conditional logic and what are the necessities of using conditional logic. Okay, then we'll show you how we can implement conditional logic in a campaign. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So you can see over here, I have searched on Google, why should we use conditional logic for instant form in meta ads? So you can see over here, conditional logic for meta ads instant forms is essential to significantly improve lead quality, reduce and filter out unqualified prospects by dynamically tailoring questions based on previous answers. It increases conversion rates by providing a personalized user experience, reducing form abandonment, and streamlining data collection. So you can see over here they have given us a couple of benefits now of using conditional logic. So here are a few. Higher quality leads, pre-qualification. You can filter out unwanted leads by directing them to a thank you page if they don't meet your criteria. Okay, so this is the beauty of conditional logic. For example, a real estate agent can ask, are you an agent, and disqualify them immediately. Okay. Then personalized user experience. The form adapts to the user, making it more engaging and relevant, which can reduce drop-off rates. Okay, so this is also one of the benefits of using conditional logic. Then the third one is increased efficiency. Instead of asking all users the same questions, you can tailor subsequent questions based on their initial answers. And the last one is reduce friction. By only showing relevant questions, users are less likely to abandon the form due to the fatigue. Okay, so this is the theoretical part of conditional logic. Let's see how we can practically implement it on a campaign. Okay, so you can see over here. Uh, so ignore these campaign types. So this is a demo campaign, like campaign name, then ad sets and ads. So my main goal is to show you how to use conditional logic. That's why I'm using a demo campaign. Okay. So you can see over here, if you come to the ads, then if you scroll down, then you will see an option called instant form. So I'm going to click on create form. Okay, then I need to name this form. So I'm going to name it, for example, analytical growth, conditional logic. So you can name it as per your requirements. Okay. Then form type, there are three options. One is more volume. So if you want more leads, then you can choose more volume. Then if you want some higher quality leads, then you can choose higher intent. Then they will be adding a review step at the end of the form. Okay. So I'm going to choose higher intent. Okay. Then flexible form delivery would be optimized. Okay. So I'll click on next. Then we have to provide some headlines and descriptions. So I'm going to be using my site for providing the headlines. Okay. So you can give some 𝒘𝒂𝒏 or 𝒘𝒂𝒏 headlines. So my goal for this video is not to provide how to create the 𝒘𝒂𝒏 or high converting headlines and description. My goal is to show you uh, how to use conditional logic. So that's why I'll be mainly focusing on. Okay, so I'm gonna be picking this one as my random description. So for the description, you can either use paragraph or you can use list. Okay, so I'm gonna use paragraph for this instance. Okay, so you can see how this form will be appearing. So this is headline, this is description. Then I'm gonna go to the next section. Then you need to provide the description for the pre-qualified form fields like name, email, phone number. Okay, So this is not our concern. Our concern is this one. So you can see we have an option called add question. You can uh, add multiple choice questions, short answer, then conditional appointment request. Okay. So if I choose multiple choice, then you can see you can ask this sort of questions like if I'm going to be selling my course, for example, Google Ads course, then I'm going to ask my prospect to this sort of questions. So are you interested to learn actually Google Ads from analytical growth? Okay, so that if the user answered this question by saying yes or no, then you will see the multiple choice question will be appearing like this. Are you interested to learn Google Ads from analytical growth? So they will either choose yes or no. But if I choose or if I select conditional logic over here, then you will see another step, you know. So are you interested to learn Google Ads from analytical growth? So if the answer is yes, then there is 3 steps actually. You can ask the prospect to a new question, or you can route them to another question, to a new question. Okay, or if you want, you can uh, redirect them to a custom end page. This may be the thank you page or the appointment booking page. Okay, or if they select their answer as no, like they are not my prospect, then you can close the form. Then what will happen is people don't give you their information and see an end page for non-leads. So this will become disqualified instantly. So this is the beauty of uh, conditional logic, you know. So if they are not your prospect, then you can instantly disqualify them. Okay. So for example, they're interested in our course, then I can ask a new question to them like this one. Do you want to learn GTM as well? Do you want to learn Google Tag Manager as well? So I'm asking this question for further qualification. So you can see over here, this is another multiple choice question. Then here, if the answer is yes, then you can see over here yes, then I can if you want, you can, if you want further qualification, then you can ask another question, but I would say no. Then uh, if you are satisfied with their answer and if you don't want further question, then you can submit or you can route them to a custom end page. So you can, they will submit their form. Okay, so you can see you on end page for all leads. Okay, and if you want to create a new custom page, then you can do that, but I will be using the previous one. Okay, and for the uh, for this one, I'm gonna be choosing this close form. Okay, then I'll go to the next. Then I need to provide the privacy policy URL. Okay, for example, I'm gonna provide this URL. Okay, then link text, then next review screen. Okay, next. Then this is actually the end page for non leads, and this is for the leads. Okay, so over here you can provide the customized text like end page name, their headline, okay, description, and you can choose go to website, view file, call business, chat on WhatsApp, and you can provide the calendly link or any booking link, whatever you want. Okay, so after submitting them, if you click on publish, then this will become the conditional logic, and you will get more qualified leads using meta ads instant form. So this is how you can use instant form conditional logic for your meta ads for getting better quality leads. Okay. So hopefully you have understood how to use conditional logic in a meta ads campaign. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.